Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Thomas. I have not filmed a video like this in 8 million years. However, back at it again with yet another video. I'm super excited about today's video because we're going to be talking all about product fails, and I love filming these videos. You guys know they're probably one of my most... I've actually never done like a product fails video. I usually do like a full face of products I hate or something along the lines of these products suck, don't buy them. I am finally back on an uploading schedule. I'm going to be doing Saturdays and Tuesdays and Saturdays, and I might even throw in a Thursday from time to time at 12 p.m. PST, 3 p.m. EST. I am back on a schedule. I am back to trying to upload twice a week. I have just been in a really bad funk, and I feel like I have finally pulled myself out of that funk and kind of figured out what I want to do with my channel, and I'm done, you know, losing my mind basically. By the way, if you don't know, I do have a Twitch channel where I do where I'm going to start doing live get ready with me's. I'm also playing video games over there like Overwatch, Apex, all kinds of video games. I'm doing giveaways. I'm even playing some video games with you guys. It's really fun over on my Twitch channel. Please go follow, please go support. I'll have a link down below in the description box, and it'll also be in the comment section down below. Please go support my Twitch. It'll mean a lot to me. And without further ado, let's get right into this product fails video. So the first product fails I shouldn't be putting into this video because it won't work with the foundation, but I'm going to do it anyways because the foundation that I'm using requires no primers, or so they say, no primers on the foundation, but we'll get to that in a second. I'm going to put a primer in this video anyways because it's a full face, and my full face always comes with a primer. And the first product fail that is absolutely just garbage, just pure garbage. It is the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer. Yeah, this primer just is a little bit gloopy. As you can see, it gets all streaky and gloopy. It's hard to blend into the skin. The shine that it provides is really pretty, but in my opinion, it's really thick. The fragrance on it, though, is really nice. It's a nice watermelon scent. Nice watermelon scent. I have a weird thing about putting fragrance products on my face. Meanwhile, I'm about to do it right now. It's just super thick, and I don't know what it is about dewy primers and why brands can't seem to get it right. If you guys have a luminous primer that's really good, please let me know in the comment section down below. But I don't know what it is about brands. They cannot seem to get luminous primers. Look at that. It won't, it literally, and it's like fucking Tin Man over here. It's like Tin Man City. And I do not put a lot on my fingers. I don't know what it is with brands, but they just don't want to make good luminous products. Oh my god, I look like fucking Tin Man. If I want like a luminous dewy primer, I want something that gives me a nice healthy glow, not a I'm fucking Tin Man. Do you know what I'm saying? So this ain't it. Oh my god. For foundation today, I have the Hourglass Vanish foundation. I have actually tried this on camera, and you guys gave me some advice. You told me that maybe the Milk Hydro wasn't a good mix with the foundation, and then I read up online that it literally says no primer with this foundation. Now, am I about to make the same mistake today? Yes, because I think no primer for a foundation is absolutely ridiculous, and here's why. I am a person that is a strong believer in primer, and I believe that primer works. If primer is not at least making your makeup last longer, it's adding a barrier between your face and all the fucking shit you're about to put on your face. I'm a believer in primer. I usually don't even use primer to like make the like foundation or whatever last longer. I'm putting on primer because I want to protect my skin from the damage I'm about to do to it. Okay, so I'm not a fan of this foundation, and here's why. I feel like it's too full coverage. I feel like it's too heavy, and I feel like it's just I mean, damn, like it's giving Marc Jacobs Remarkable a run for its money. Now, the thing that it does with primers is that if you have a primer underneath it, it's going to flake off. Oh no, this is already bad. How's allergy season treating everyone? As you can tell by my under eyes, it's treating me like fucking garbage. My under eyes and the discoloration on my around my eyes mixed with this foundation, it's just not, it's not working out too well for me. Okay, so moving on into concealer, I have the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer, something I don't consider Huda Beauty to be, but you know. This concealer is just so damn dry, and I hate the applicator so much. I hate this. You know what? I get the point of the applicator. It's supposed to be cooling, which is supposed to help with like under eye bags and stuff, and like, you know, a cold spoon under the eye a day keeps the concealer away type stuff. And I get it. Like, it's like, that's the vibe that Miss Huda Butthole is, you know, trying to take. That's the lane that she's trying to pay for herself. But unfortunately, you know, I just feel like the applicator is a bit garbage. And I would have appreciated a nice little stank ass little doe foot applicator. Okay, so my beef with this concealer is that it's beyond thick. Like, thick with 3 C's, not even 2, just 3 whole ass C's. If you are someone with zero skin texture, if you are someone that has beautiful butt-like skin and has never had a breakout in their life, has 0 pores, and has a great credit score, I feel like this concealer would work for you. Yeah, it's just like not good. Once you put powder on top of this, like if you're someone that doesn't like setting your under eyes, I feel like this concealer would work for you, because I feel like this concealer is better unset. But because I'm someone that creases a lot under the under eyes, because I have premature aging. It's not premature aging, I'm just white. I have under eyes that crease like crazy, so I need to, you know, put that fat ass powder underneath. I don't have a powder that's a fail, so I'm gonna go into my Lancome, which is a beautiful powder that I think everyone needs to own in their makeup collection. I hate when I do these videos. I always look so good on camera. I always look so good on camera, but in person I look like fucking You know what I would consider my face right now? I would consider my face that of like the moon. It has just like a bunch of holes on it. Craters, if you will. That's what this concealer gives you. This concealer gives you like craters on your face. So does this foundation. These two together give you like these crater-like fucking, like, it's like, oh my god. There's so many different colors happening on my body. Moving on, I do not have a bronzer to roast for you guys. So I won't be doing that. So I'm gonna bronze and contour real quick, and then we can slap on into some highlighter. I'm just gonna bronze my whole face because I'm a bit pale. Sorry, my Morphe brush was shedding. I'm gonna do purple blush because of the horrible palette that I have today. Okay, guess not. Guess this purple blush is not going to show up on the skin. That's a fail. I guess I could add NARS into the... Okay, no, it's showing up. Wow, I'm a sellout. You know how quick I was about to throw NARS into the thumbnail because the blush wasn't showing up? Bitch. Thomas, you fake as fuck. Moving on to highlighter, I have the Essence Go for the Glow highlighter. The reason why this is such a fail, I cannot do colored highlighters at all. Also, it's not 2016 anymore. Essence, come on. Come on, Essence. Come on. Yo, these Morphe brushes really be in my mouth right now. My issue with this is that it literally doesn't show up. It just will not show up. And I have to reapply it over and over again. And I had to put like a fuck ton on until it eventually shows up. And then when I turn my head, it leaves like a cast. Like when I turn to the, it just leaves that like stripe. And like, that's just not a vibe. You know what I'm saying? Is that how the Kardashians use it? It's just not a vibe. I feel like I'm a part of one of those expectations versus reality pictures. Like, expectations, reality. Yeah, it's just not a good highlighter. I just don't, I always think colored highlighters are a bit of a fail and a bit unrealistic. I mean, they look cool for a second, maybe look cool for a photo, but as far as like everyday wear, I mean, duh, but like even if you, sometimes I want to look cool. I know, you know what? No, because the Anastasia Moonchild palette looks good on literally every skin tone. And it's super colorful and it looks good in different lightings as well, and it doesn't do this shit. So that's an issue, you know what I'm saying? Next, moving on into eyes, I have one honorable mention, which is the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded. This is my third one of this palette. They keep fucking sending me this palette. I think Urban Decay can never get it right when it comes to their eyeshadow formulas, except for the Naked Heat palette. That's a good one. Does it warrant to be in this video? Not really. That's why it's an honorable mention. Here's another brand that likes to send me 80 fucking things with the same fucking thing 800 fucking times. This video is demonetized at this point. I have never witnessed a palette that's so not it. Like, I have never, and this isn't to be mean, like, no shade. Like, Tarte, you know I sort of fuck with you. I have never witnessed such a, girl. This is bad. It's cute in theory, but there is, guess how many mattes are in this palette? Can you guess how many mattes are in here? 3. If you guess 3, you're correct. We're gonna dig in. We're gonna dig into this. And then, oh my god. Oh, this is just like another gripe. This is me being extra for no reason. I don't even need to put this in the video. I might even edit this part out. But this texture, the texture of this, when I rub my finger on this, this palette infuriates me alone from. I know I'm being a tad bit dramatic, but Jesus, do I hate this texture. I hate this texture with a passion. I hate the texture of styrofoam and the texture of this, whatever this is, this holographic shit. Oh, fuck, I hate that. So when I open up the palette, like my finger slips on it. Oh my god, I hate it. I hate it. Because I'm only given one transition shade, which is called Wall Art. I'm gonna go into it. So I just don't, oh my god. So I have a few problems with the mattes. Well, with all Tarte mattes, to be honest, I find them to be super hard to blend out. And they do that subculture thing. All Tarte mattes do the subculture thing. It just has like these little, I don't know. You just don't get a nice blend with Tarte shadows, which is why I don't reach for them as much. I just have to work harder with Tarte shadows, and I literally don't know a single person on this planet that has time for any of that. So I'm gonna try to go into oh, I touched the back of vinegar. Sorry, I'm just gonna go into mixed media here, and I'm just going to try to use that to kind of blend out the eyeshadow. Oh, and then look at that. Look at that shit. It's like all over the place. Now I'm gonna go into mashup. The only shade that I'm interested in, and I'm going to apply this. No, like, yeah, like, this is my favorite eyeshadow look. Like, my favorite. Literally my favorite. Like, a little, at all. You know what? I'm gonna try to take Create, actually. I'm gonna take a little bit of Create. Kind of pop that out here a little bit. Maybe on top. Like, a little bit on top. Kind of give it a little something. Yeah! Like that! Yeah, so pretty. I love how like dull it is. It's It's like my favorite part about the palette is like the dullness of it and how like bland. It's my favorite thing about the palette is just like how bland it is. Am I being too sarcastic? I don't know. We'll find out when we see the like to dislike ratio. I kind of just want to keep roasting Tarte, to be honest. Their lashes. I don't know why, but they never work for me. And they're literally like every other lash brand. But for some reason, they don't work for me. I don't get it. I literally don't understand why I cannot ever make Tarte lashes work. You know, I was watching Tati's video where JLo's makeup artist did her makeup and he didn't cut her lashes. And I'm like, I think that's so bold, you know? Very daring. Will I do it? No. Why? Because unlike JLo and Tati and everyone else that is his client, I want to see and enjoy my vision and also not have my inner corner itching every 5 seconds. So I'll be trimming my lashes. Yeah, sorry. I'm having just a bit of an issue. Putting these fucking lashes on like I thought I would. They're wonky. I literally can't make any Tarte lashes look good on me, and I don't know why. This is the best I can do with these and for these. And then they poke my inner I trim them and they still poke on the inner corners. I just can never make them. I don't like Tarte products. I mean, that's all. We're gonna leave it there. So, moving on to lips. I don't have anything for my lips. That is a fail because I don't really try that many new lip products. So I'm just gonna pop on some So Juicy from ColourPop and call it a effing day. Oof. Like, oof. Ew. I'm saying, this stuff be sucking. Oh my god. Like, this is what I'm talking about when I say, like, foundations be playing me sometimes. I swear. This is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about craters on my face. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Okay, I need to leave because I'm tired of my hair. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my Twitch, follow my Twitch, subscribe to my channel. We're about to go under 500K, so if you want to prevent that from happening, subscribe. If you want to make that happen, unsubscribe, which I know up to 500 people will. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye,
Used to be the girl, you're sitting on my feelings and sitting on my throne. I ain't got no time for the troubles in your eyes. This time I'm only looking at me, myself, and I.